Hey everybody, it's Joel. Just wanted to give a quick intro to azaleas and that they're more than just, I guess, choosing particular flower colors. There's more than just the flower color that differentiates a lot of these varieties. So I wanted to show that growth habit, flowering time, foliage color, these are all attributes that are, I guess, make all the distinctive characteristics to all the different azaleas. So for instance, you've got Joseph Hill, low growing, late blooming azalea. This is excellent, almost a ground cover application. Won't bloom until probably mid-May. Here's one of your earliest blooming. This is Coral Bells, beautiful little azalea, small little leaves, nice pink flowers. Here's a great one for foliage color. You can see the variegated leaf, nice to add a little pop of color with an azalea. This particular one is Christy Lynn. Here's one of my favorites, Stewartstonian. This is another classic, large growing, mid-season blooming red. You can see the nice dark foliage. A lot of the reds turn almost a purplish red leaf color in the winter. So not only is it green during the growing season, but azaleas have excellent winter color, whether or not it be purples or reds or yellows or oranges, just something to keep in consideration. Leaf size is another attribute that differentiates some of these azaleas. So you can see the small leaves with Coral Bells, large leaves with Girard's Rose. And that's what differentiates the Girard series from a lot of the other azaleas. The large leaves, excellent foliage retention through the winter, and great leaf winter color. And then repeat blooming azaleas. So you're not just getting one bloom per year, you're getting two, sometimes three blooms. There's the Encore Azalea series and the Bloomathon series. They'll bloom spring, sporadically through the summer, and again in the fall. And there's numerous different varieties to choose from, different flower colors, different size that they grow. The world of azaleas is limitless, so don't, it's not just the flower color that you're choosing.